We're going to now look at ShrinkWrap. And ShrinkWrap lets you project an object onto the surface of another object. And you can use the ShrinkWrap deformer in many modeling and animation workflows, including attaching accessories to a character mesh or retopologizing a mesh. So to do this, I've created two objects, and they have the same subdivisions, and I've just kind of played with soft select and modified this sphere and stretched it out. And then the second sphere, what I did was make it a little bit smaller, because what I need to do now is be able to put this sphere inside of this one. So if we go to wireframe mode, we can make sure we have this geometry inside of the other one. And now that you have that, you can go to select your inner shape first and then your outer shape, and deform ShrinkWrap. And now you can see that I have something down here, and this was my sphere, and it's kind of adapting to the new topology of the greater geometry. So it's kind of wrapping along its surface. And again, you could use this for animation effects. You could imagine maybe having a transparent material on one of the geometries, for example. So I think I have one here. So let's attach this transparent material. So you could make some animation effects where objects move and then there's something trapped inside of one. You could scale this. Or you could just take details out of one geometry and then maybe duplicate this object and get a new resulting geometry from it. And then you can do this again. And again, all you need to do is create two objects with a similar subdivision count, and then one goes inside of the other one. And you first select the interior object, and then you select the exterior object, and then you go to deform and ShrinkWrap. You can see here there is also some attributes for it. For example, the smooth level, or if we want to offset the geometry of it, or it could work in reverse and actually wrap from the outside. Again, try it out and see what you can come up with.